Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to sweat. Let's get started. Okay, let's take tabletop pose on your floor. Palm underneath your shoulders, knee underneath your hips. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, tailbone, crown to the sky. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, press your palms down. Inhale, widen your collarbones. Exhale, thrust your shoulder blades out. And back to center. Now, extend your right leg. And extend opposite left hand, left arm. And balance tabletop pose. Shoulders draw away from ears. Use your core to keep balance. After 5 breaths, let's do the other side. Extend your left leg, right arm, and use your core for balance. Shoulders always away from ears. Now release. Okay. Let's take downward facing Adho Mukha Shavasana. Pedal your feet to stretch your calves. Five breaths. Heels down, tailbone toward the sky. Shoulders, ears, space between. Chest close your thighs. And relax your neck. Now, walk your feet. Cross to your hands. Okay. And exhale forward. From here. Inhale, exhale on your toes and down. Inhale, exhale on your toes, down. Inhale, exhale, toes up and down. Inhale, exhale, toes up and down. If this is too much, just skip this exercise, this part, and just stay there and stretch your back, forward fold, stay there. Inhale, exhale, slowly. Each vertebra roll up and shoulders down. Okay, from here, right arm on top of your left and let's do eagle pose. And from here, toes, heels touch. Inhale, exhale, bend your knee, chair pose. Inhale, exhale for 1. Shift your weight onto your heels and almost lifting up your toes. Make sure to keep your chest open and sternum up. And after 5 breaths, straighten your knees, release. And now, opposite hand. Left hand on top of your right. Eagle pose, inhale. Exhale, bend your knee, take a chair pose. Again, another 5 breaths here. Knee together, side together, hip square. And shift your weight to your heel and check out if you can pick up your heels. Okay. And after 5 breaths, release. Good. Now, inhale and exhale. Open your arms. Inhale, exhale, twist your upper body. Five breaths. Inhale, exhale, release. And squat, chair pose. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. And release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, place your palms and step back or jump. Okay. From plank pose, exhale. Chaturanga, Dandasana. And upper facing Uba Mukha Shavasana. And exhale to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. From here, inhale, right leg up, exhale, knee to your chest. From here, lift up your knee so high and on your toes. Breathing for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And step between. Back heel down. Keep your hips square and straight your back and airplane your arms, palm facing forward. Keep your tilt, 45-degree angle, and heel to the crown, one line. Gaze slightly forward. Five breaths. And bring your palms down and right leg meet with your left. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, Uba Mukha Shavasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to your chest. And hold high up 5 breaths. Now step between. Back heel down. Firmly press down on the floor. And tilt your body. Heel to crown, one line, airplane. Palm facing forward. Gaze slightly forward. Keep breathing. Shoulders away from ears. Hey, now palms down, left knee meet with your right. And plank, inhale, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upper facing and exhale, downward facing dog. Let's take 5 breaths here. four corners of your feet, pressing down palms, wide split and press them down. Navel to the spine, chest close your thighs, keep your tailbone really high up to the sky. And good. Now, let's lay down on your back. Find your way to come down to laying down position. Now, bring your feet up. Okay, and the other. From here, stretch your arms and let's do some up. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't have to be big motion, but really concentrate on using your up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax. Windshield and knee to the side. And now let's do a little bit. Let's do tiny bridge because we use up. So to compensate muscle, to balance muscle, you want to use back muscle as well. Inhale, exhale, slowly bring your hips up and interlace your hands under and shoulders in. Keep your sternum high up. Let's take 5 breaths here. Heels pressing down strong. Knee keep about hip distance. Use your core to keep your hips high. Sternum up. Roll shoulders in. And release your hands. Slowly bring your hips down. Extend your arms and legs. Take final pose of Shavasana. This sequence is designed to get good exercise and sweat. I recommend you do it every other day and check out my other videos in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!